4.7 FM so and also so atino 23 minutes after the hour 7 you running show from now till 9 and this is so queen 8 me aba interesting in normalization committee makacha on the dada say omuni baby omoko kra omangasa kra amopon adwuma omuni baby omoko na ohwese na Mexico so a omde Ghana football na akọ baby there be omunya hui ye bekom na fierce na hye na AC koma me Lucy Quest ene odene nkomo ekoja Joy FM Ghana fokwadwo immediately after Joy FM no esane ne trans 1-on-1 nkoma osande ba bio no ehu bruta nyame adoma mepone kakra de ama o channel pan so kodwo ba na obedidi ni aka ne ho na afa wo se na nema AC eko e Ghana Goodiem National Under 20 omkomo ho ana afa okeko ni chiwe se nema AC eko akuma se krobia asante koroko enura nema ankoye amfa mom wo di ka baako e Al Hilal fo sa no e Sudan hye so e Nduma e ma otimisan pa koroko enura wo mani time but almost still e other matches so a ombetini make amends e be hwese na hye no e be si akọ obetia send me WhatsApp comment e dia ba 0244483290 0244483290 0244483290 me personal line to ba no wadi hu ni e wasa line so se bia nkomotwetwe no e betia san to aso atwe e betia fadamfo e betimi abonkomo e betimi akere adwene na mu oba na odi atendidie ba Mr. line ye miami line I have every right say caveat ne say me you free me line so na ma adwene me ho esan say enye by force enyo nhye kra e wasa na ma ACL ko Philip to AK47 the gunshot man e wa ha ana afi mota kwa meja kwa champo right amenyo ana afi nso kra no Bernard Padibotwe we mu ene empanyfo to ne hwehwere twa wo ma de omnim de attachment kese achi from now to 9 ne de hyehyɛ wodo aka ne tia sabrɛw hyɛ so bio mame sɛ wokekwa ni kyerɛ hwɛsɛ na ma ACL koso ene nkomo no be de e be nika Samia kwa de renchi multimedia sports director ba ko pɛ owura kenansa chief operations director KT kwasutwum ho na adwuma no ene de na afi rabna ana afi so kekwa ni kyerɛ ma na yɛ sɛ Raymond mo wo yɛ master of HR so de wani kyerɛ ma wo so ta kyerɛ pa ne de sa dwumade kɛse etiaba na wo sɛ na ma ACL ko e wo Ghana agudie mu na nkomo no e be de dia na hyɛ no so mam sɛ nwuma ko awodo makoma ko be sɛ dunu over 20 sponsors so madama wo na ta kyerɛ abo medicine hyɛ so kwetu agyaw me pa cho jackpot no eso e agbo e kɛse e bode e bolobo enti ana meka fo betu jackpot na dia mawo sɛ fi sa abre ko de ope chacha pa etiansa to a ene nipa nkwankra na ye de to chacha na cha to chacha na ye de fo ni kyerɛ e betu akache na ne pemfo ntini sa so me pa cho play pick 5 a e bo ma select 5 matches results greater odds no e ma we ni up to 10,000 Ghana cedis ye eno e mota ni enti me birthday no utimi sɛ mia na me bɔ mo modern ade fefa mu abati me adoma me sure sɛ next week obedi enti me birthday no after party no e be ba so next week no obi a wo sɛ na ma ACL call o play pick 15 a o select 15 matches results and also betting 1.6 million Ghana cedis up to 10 million who play closest by selecting 7 correct score lines bamudia anywhere we cry me patro take your shot at being the next Betway billionaire but modia that's all called www.betway.com.gh register now the Betway phone pay phone tennis also o betia fadwene kakra tiensa to Betway na for the love of the game and e obafia encourage na abomo dan so ye mpemfo afeni ade ye ho babaji beti mu enti ehwe se bia betia play epic 15 ni select 15 matches correctly na aboa me di best 1.6 million Ghana cedis no ene hyehyɛ so kokra Betway e di aba Betway na wo me ye kinkim wo me ye bomfrim wo me ye brekete Yedi Betway no na the Royal City phone paying for King City offer 10% discount on any size of air service plot or pay between Sampua and Manso about CBDS so ye na no ada hwesa na Mexico so yombo bia wanya sika adwene kra nya man team so nkoto ayasase na mpese wesidan enti na make catch say asase de oba to eye be man so to eye isan so hwesa na ma AC koso na wo asase a wo ade bebrebe obetua sabo sese kakra de agusu de wagya pade so se obi nya gas bebrebe na bosi de omne na montwa boys etimi handa na peso etia sidan me pacho King City and de hye sonko etia bro na boa emaniama etia kwedi ama o visit Royal City site na a 10 minutes drive from Aye Central University na get access to potable water and afi so light posts so site no so road ho and afi good drainage system ho and afi tight security and so ho shops no so ho na afi clinic ho betia boa emaniama etia kwedi ama o make instant payments now walk away with 10% discount or pay within 6 months without any interest. Mr. Bomondi and say utia bosumi makuma kuba sinsia ya de spread asasina ma na watua without any interest a 10% discount and I'll bet you senya so usan tua no putuprum instantly dia we ne hyehyɛ so kokra the Royal City the King City wo mo edi age na bo ma ma etia kwedi ama ya ba prices no start from low as 8,000 Ghana cedis. Mr. asase be ma to eye ba to eye nti ba no enka kyerɛ be ma ne sɛ wono na enkoto asase. Mr. ujeji na wasa be ma Monday se kay na berensa bomodi ada so betua san to asase na aboa emanema etian kwedi ama no walk to your office no e wo Ashfoam Junction your first floor Kumuji Plaza e wo Dowenya Road ho sabetia kan mesrew frɛ the Royal City e wo 05081 99624 05081 99624 and 0505 05081999625 05081999625 05081999625 na only the Royal City the King City more for 10% discount e was asase to hono niama etia kwe e the amount the Royal City any onu King City Real Estate Limited number one destination for property buyers omodiada odo wani kire betua hwe aboa ema niama etia toto yi e the amount road safety campaign na mesa dija kwan sana ya konkomo no so nyomo hye no so mam say road safety campaign Joy FM and in collaboration with Guinness Ghana Brewers Limited and the road safety campaign ebro tips no omodiada say me always use your side mirror to see what other drivers are doing. But more than that, say, or side mirror, no, ubetimi dia share driver for who do so kwanzimponum. Women always expect the unexpected. I've always told you that the unexpected always happen, and the not knowing is always the worst part of an agony. And it's more than that, say ubetimi asamwe near daho emra wo driver. Na use side mirrors no. When you see a kwana joy team sending kanya ne nyadwuma dia ba side mirrors ndi use. Nti aboa emane nam kwani mu saa ne akodu say kama na aboa emane ma etia kwedi aman. Guinness Ghana Brewers Limited, Madama, woman that is anxious on creating a bar was a life every day, everywhere, and have a VIP joint transport service for Techli, Evan Mike Multi-Purpose Company Limited, also built for you the nation. Grateful Scientific Back Clinic, producers of Ajinkwan Garlic Plus. God is a healer. O Madama, woman Techli Pa, and a dear Nenso, road safety, no, 18 January, and Yama ACL. Now, Music Awards nominees, no, 18 Saba, Music Awards nominees, announcements, no. President Chendise kwa also who gets nominated at this year's 3 music awards. President Nema ACL course on the how many nominations are your favorite acts grabbing and into President Nema ACL course of favorite artists no we are the end crowd ahino benya pepacho tuning to Joy FM, Hit FM, Joy Prime and I feel so Joy Prime TV and I feel so 3 music awards nomination awards no President Chendise kwa Friday na nwanda and the tiensa ba so ultimate and pass and share some kubitiansa to aso sa na boa maniama etia kwe e de amanti bomodiada so do hu betia sa jim de akire kakra multimedia platforms so betin the updates no etimi abro na won se na niama ACL ko e won hihya wodo a eno so etimi atofem no so eniti bomodiada so do hu betia sa jim na aboa e maniama etia totoyi e de amawo e wo dwumadi a ogusu edimu na Adom TV Ghana's number 1 television station enso de hihya so ko etia sa ba na wo hese na niama ACL ko so no dia we Ghana has spoken na me Adom adwudi so ebetian san to so na won sena niama ACL koso na Asempa FM Valentine's Day no hwema na se trivia quiz kese pa na no so etian san ba so ene edi promote Valentine's Day Valentine's season Asempa 94.7 FM the Valentine quiz and eba na we trivia promotion hwe sena niama ACL koso on ladies time ultimate sports morning show no so ebeba so na face so kwa no other shows no so the etian san chim from Saturday 9th of February and copim Thursday 14th of February 2019 and Jason Queen Ebitian Santuja join the Valentine Trivia Quiz promotion. Eric Esidu Bodimuna, Edio Mu 18 Sa Jima Shabwa, Emaniama Etian Kuye, Edia Masa Quiz Kesia, and Chibiano so Ebitian Santuja. Ultimate Sports Morning Show, and so Mam say, Yamia Doma within Ebitian Sabaso, na Odonwetian Sa Jim, na Fires servers, Omo Etechipa, and I feel so Savasta Natural Shea Butter, almost so an Etechabwa, Emma Valentine's Day fee, Yedino El Quenesan Naso, Yen Sebre. Ebeko bright yebua tila ho e Kumasi Asante Magudiem ensem keka bright emwe nkomo batie fa mungui entwema no Empa ensem keka ana say Ghana gudie na ebo man yenkwa ma no so bright yebo atela BYT e de Asante Magudiem ensem keka eba bright wadama mwadwo ubrini yenkwe
wala meje bia so ewe Kumasi na Asante Mante oba Asante Mante ni Kumasi dia bibia de duna isho no ma fom fam ya goro kra so aha referee be dan confirm yagro maso hansen fam yagro okuku pim ya America memu so as yima fam yagro Davido fam yagro na so abrante fete skidu ono so biaya fete Germany fam yagro na pattern ono so US eso fam yagro na kuma so Big Ben adamoni na dunia no air condition specialist on fam yagro kra na wale ube pim ye kuma se asante mantema de temse bibia de bin ko too many bin every new the biasa maybe chaka say special competition mo manager the team ye no dia owner on one tracker on one team no ka se ngu ebegu o me momra on be ba no enya dia husisi mo ye kra o mo kwa da o mo nke kra say bibi ko so no mobilization special competition bia cup bia da so bia na o ko pem so oba so mo gusu ye team a se ameka say omugusu ne omuta ko ese kapa na napa na the terms of street record and on mesa ye full training na no e be ko so fu papa eno anya chaputa kra something good and so nya bre ya we sie dim etime bia trend e tournament bi e be ni mo and tempera so on the na team kesema and so sentiment mo na oba kuma so ba Ghana nyina ade eye nkuru ya to do pa aye tibe fe kuma asa santo ko ko mko piem eye biaya ni din enso ade eye Sudan ekokosi akan na anunu ana ko to lusu match na fe na eye pa ba kuma se ba omo mo hwe be ni bia na practice ko ni ade a na de na ka se game ni de ko to ko ya ade omo ti be pa mistake ku bi ana ba first half na omo ko fo ti capital away omo ti share ko de kuma se santo ko to no omo ti se eye team no supporters so omo ti se team no de ya ne ma si ko na be ya on be ya de na mpo kwa we no ase omo try bi na share abi Ghana emoli ene ti to ma omo ti ko to mo group stage na omo se team ni ma de mo kwa na abi mo se be be omo du ko am se so omo ti ko ma ya de next season bia no so omo ti ji special competition na no ya de mo slot for Africa bia omo ti akọ no ma challenge ni ye pa bi so se team no won to omo ka chances pa coach ni ka chances but still team no omo di se omo match so omo ti ma we no me ti ma ko na ni ana team na ba 11:30 am na team land okutuka ai le ni ya team na de team kuma so ta se ya get team no bia ko ni tie ai so bia an kwaji na free day it was no bia bia so wale u bet ba go ya kwa bia na ja what my way ya bia na it was free day no mom Tuesday anata Wednesday na what trip na what trip so na kotoko and Zesco United Zambia Electricity Company corporation more team Ghana Power FC no electricity company for the Zesco Zambia and Union Electricity company corporation dem there anti omo kotoko na kotoko match no na so be say you have done 1 p.m. na the supporters no enso to mo anya beto mo to match sama 20 team ya break no Wednesday so bi amra no ahusesi no man di pa no me tell you many ana management bi a onko titina animre no me da ba nke di pressure protocol no e be official say president win all home matches no say 3 matches what you 9 points no protocol be say na 2 away matches kotoko da Zambia ni na no against the Ghana FC and then Zesco United no ba ku bi atife no mo so no ma se o na 1 point o ma na mo so bi aba se home die enye mu se kotoko wan mu ba to hu se hot word na kotoko kwa di bia e bida na sa group na ya wo 2004 kotoko de hot word o be beat Enugu Rangers believe 3-1 o Ghana ọ̀rọ̀ kò sọ kòtòkò 2-1 nti kòtòkò de awọ anasa hot word no 3-1-2-1 na qualify wa ọmọ bi ko fi ha so ko ha so na the best series ni dem to be say club ni di so de ko sport 3-2 era Ghana ọ̀rọ̀ so ti bi top group no ko sport ni wa draw ha 7-3-2 ọ̀rọ̀ kòtòkò ko ba finals no sabada pa na to anye obi ade se bi na obi ade se bi so bi anye wa ba ba kuma so no and a massive win, a handicap win, and a 3-1, 4-2, 4-1, 5-1, 5-2. There's a goal match also 2-3. aha difference and also done come management planning fear based making what people so go to training there and you could for now a day so day Kotoko eba mo aye social handle ya na da so Kotoko I declare say operation win whole matches and now say operation 9 points and no I affect Kotoko the play bia no players ni ya ya dey show kutupa e dia say mu ko nje play matches na dey Kotoko dey be tie ni dey Kotoko be diri na Kotoko be diri na dia what 2 away matches first one na second one but 2 away matches first one double one or no kwa we ni ba na ba je ni na ka ho na we na no ni ave de obetimi abi ni jonko ti aka fam wo ba bia so ho ni first kwa or maybe second etimi qualify etimi akota final no any declaration ya present penfo ebe declare ya to wo ja na ke for na wo be pem anso asa wo kuma ti dem so the only say Asempa ko group de ko be friends awareness group just say ati o mania prepare na the terms are den otribwaten and a dano a former communication member. As well I did say, almost about the organize the banker. On the year the door came a month for a working day, not with the possible Madero. I saw 1 p.m. Now the treasure may be there, I'm not a purpose. At your their numbers are, and also I need to deal by your father, mama, and talk a customer say, yes, no. Now, Kotoko, one city go now, I'm a dressing room. Not what to be a fool. What you tell lie? What you say the first competitive user again I won't issue a match, it's as about it. A black star and look on now I observe and a black star chair and look on a black star versus Kotoko official match. But the official there's a big that's all competitive there. I told you you should first one half a panel. I'm not a panel as a defender from and be a course of ball about them. Come on, that's what we put on with the family, and I'm not possible battle now. I'm not saying I'm a team of the say, competition at them. We got to be short at the empty. So about to play. So about no, and you see, Samuel, you're going to burn on your map. I know the truth. It's just about how we see free. I know I see commercial or the problem there. You catch them and not say, I am a yak, but I got you. It's not what you do. Mo go go na mo kwa sisi bia na mo wate fa mo misses na matches awon bo mo tie ni the subsequent games aka 5 matches there do no dey lose ebi kwa no no ewia ni dey akwa no nti you see me aya just one with the pa put the ta bra na kono siti akono and so to be ama players nti o be tell me Asempa ma sa le ko to ko ni abreta o ma go to me e free day na e mo improve kada kwa there. And now I yet training no possible serious one. I got to them for a subsequent games no wala.
Internet say bibia kama but omo hwe nim say omo e matches aka wachi no be prepare yi.
On that prepare nti wo matches ready. Omo Japan sini ya we no. Omo am ya maka close say ida first and after Ghana ba ku ti betwi no ne kotoko je wura mu je ka tro say North Africa there. Kotoko nyade and ye ka say me shepherd papa bi she bibia out dey Kotoko but this time no Kotoko bet me ni ma na bia e bet me abo na so wa so bet me Africa na we show way back or more matches also away at least win that point and also to call not 3 months 1 point all away na me bet me go for them time e bet no o to be kwa away ko nya point to men class start build up o to be kwa away ko even e ko nya point na show me half it will go sell a massive win and I said o to go now win against a power dynamic our Hawaii and no matter now to take 2 goals difference it will be a more fan and you meant to have power dynamic to do more also share Hama capital it will be 10,000 and now half even 2,000 half to power ko say all to me transfer since the day I know the answer Brother Esperance and now against 11 and after 10 against 11 and a half and another minute advantage there quite class about am come could be record has a top also as a match 2-1 Tana Kotoko so bakwa Tana in 2004 Kotoko away 8 minutes of clock to go na point everybody will know people and into o share aya more ma progress to this stage so why not be this aya man fa ma one from ti Kotoko to nya bre to nya back Kumasi almost way matches in there any the besi we are that ba wa be bia and we the best show now kama get be ya no be to have the na kon dia ma san tokotoko.
Okay, we dey e be da wase enwumre so na bedu ana
na bedu that no maintain na man ka santi. Okay, ya na ma say na me gwemi kuma sia.
Okay, it we dey be da wase nyame adoma o kina so e another day e be san any wedding south so
ma te pa wale.
Okay, okay. Okay, I'm paying some kekana doson yen chane so mama say asante man temagudium ensam keka bright yebo atela ana otene kanso den komo no 8 bejae na nyame adoma na agyeman so nkra ne cheso abedu na mepem no ono so edene komo ebetien seja ba hye no so mama say obaga na ha na ohwe enebren countries ne sene ma Asia kwa ukọ eye Israel ono so ebo league den pa ono de ligat hal ana apem so na 43 minutes Maccabi Haifa wo mo atimi achi Hapo Tel Aviv etwam 3-2 match na eguso ekoso na okọ Brazil so a won so team ba ko from Austin FC won so atimi adi nkunime ka ba ko 12 minutes won go so epem komanim won hihya awdo a won ede epem so no France League 2 no enso matches ni bi ekoso onom Germany Bundesliga 2 and 3 matches ni bi ho by time 3 a Kingston Force won atransia Lazio etwam ka ba ko mu 85 minutes of play ana won so ede atata so ano sia e wa hanom ana afen so Michael Okan the youngest researcher in town ono so e wa hanoma nyame adoma obeti om kase ne obeti sedin so Sergio Manucho abeka production team na afen so Kobe the Scavenger enso a 45 no ana afo bi piem so a na eche se ohwese ne ma esi ekoso na asare mu nyina wa hanoma wo mu na eboa emanema atimi akoye e wa ha na ohwemu a na se gift antai mami ohwese ne Mexico so ordinema late nkwa ana ni eje ho nti o say happy belated birthday with me say gift antai odasin obi a e Ghana hanom but quickly see bia kama de
me ho ya okay bibia okay me ho ya pa
ekobo me ho ya ekoboy e ma ya show me kaba ko enom dia ba fi
but wale me nunsu ntrese mo hu nusu ege me de enyema me hu ye say o mu ni be wura group e no no de wura mo se medical ka chem se kotoko amokota fana sami be mi won pa e wa fiti yesu e be mi won ba bibia nso no akachi so mo lusu match ba ko say omo ba tin say matches be force say nti so wa ba be 6 matches so wa lusu ba ko say o yiro na utumiku e ko wanim nti mi ade mi hu bi boni bi asabeto asande kotoko.
Okay, still see say odusu jina na so onya hu bi boni say betia to asante kotoko Michael Okan analysis kakra emfa na game nisi koye.
All right, well I say we say betcha 84 na we share another game na ba so between High Hilal ni Kotoko boy. The game ni was game ni tough. Na game ni mu yedin nti we share goals with Brian Pion. Now of course senior kai on Friday say coach ni some players we are the back team ni ma ampa we should start lineup now. Some players now already by we can about Sefa say Sefa will start and he did. Sefa start here but Fatao so ebemu now obesha the starting live now the same starting lineup or the call Yaoundé Eriko Ball Cotton Sport no which will say Siki or some trust starting 11 now or the call another game them now which team now e call Sudan no profit which team now call Sudan no one who say Kotoko for the new signing be aka team now call Sudan no now before say omo qualify to the group stage the song and I said the one song Obia singing say Kotoko have to beef up. Kotoko have to beef up the squad. They have to add more players to the squad, not just any players but quality players. But Omuko today Omuko share group stages as he one single signing which will say the same players na City can't say the midfield and one weakness no same team now they call it now we share team na team or trust or what GD was at team. Now we should go now. That was the only one goal into the only event I met to discuss it as far as analysis of that game is concerned. Is the goal. Now I say become one same. Now we should go now. Send a buy and say a free kick in the middle of the park, somewhere close to the center circle. And so when you have free kick now, we should go to the team here. One negative and I say one flaw. It was a team say players are more. Kotoko starting lineup omungwa bebreyeti I was atting them uyi Ganiyu uyi Ajimambedu Emmanuel Ajimambedu era ibi Conte kwa Mbonsu kakra the one kan nyina uyetia usho Felix ana usho the structure as a goalkeeper onye goalkeeper bia make say or what say bia amano no yamo the structure and say the body type akoye Hugo Lloris and say Fabien Barthez of France, both of France usho Amos onuso yetia onye obi a wasa same as Stefa onuso yetia sa Max Obakudio yetia kra in time of set pieces and as I say both free kick corner kicks kotoko for volley shot in that area in usho Halali and as I high laugh for omunya free kick no they took 3 one-time touches to score the goal. One-time touches means nobody shares a goal no. First of all, move ball long ball into the box. Move ball a long ball into the box no. And yet Ganiyu and I say nye Ajimambedu na eko pre ball no Sefa na only high laugh for a striker. And eko pre sa ball no. Inti say oyetia inti high laugh for no striker no had the chance on him to win the ball. Now a winning sa ball no a knockdown and I say a pass. Odema colleague striker. Now usha the player close to the ball I share go I friend Hamidi. Usha the player close to him. Now Emmanuel Ajimambedu. Now at that moment Ajimambedu was losing concentration and as I friend say reaction. The reaction time towards the ball was very slow. Now usha how you laugh for striker now I friend Hamid no. He was very quick. He was very fast or reacting in time. Now Okabo into whatever Charles say Ajimambedu Emmanuel Ajimambedu on the day was sleeping on his job. And I say you should be able to react fast than the player. But player no react and I say striker no reacting fast more than him. Now cause I want to maintain blame kakra wa. It's good say team no blame omunina say omo na there but we should the man go ni buy and na Ajimambedu. It was close to Hamidi and I say on making a last ditch tackle. And say boy ba want me anye na go ni buy into analysis of this game say pepe na betu yaka no into sike so working on say if you will bring in more players or more height especially all Zambia for Zesco show more matches they have top players from defense echo striking department top players especially wingers into one area I say sike working on the 2-3 but the 2-3 so no yet here. Now Zesco for one trick I used to say they'll put in the ball at the back post so that they go in the air and try to fight the ball in the air, ball long balls. Into one area says Siki Akono, working on. Now matters arising every Kumasi, send a Brighton can Kotofo Alonchi operation win home matches. Now Kotofo qualify and I say do advance to the group stage is very important. Say they win all the home matches. Now Zesco match on the ball Wednesday. Mate say time I'm about 1 p.m. Now in my research I mean for spectators attendance at stadium say then the pusu spectators say Obeko stadium. I made it clear say time I boy matches and I say how we schedule our matches has a great effect on stadium attendance by spectators. Now which time I say rubber match 1 p.m. on a working day which is Wednesday. I think say operation win home matches see Echo Enima they will need the supporters at the stadium. Now ball match on a working day Wednesday at 1 p.m. I don't think say you get all the supporters you need for your operation win home matches to work for you. Now omuye a little analysis about Zambia time omudu ball pa pa omuta ball matches 1-2 more that time pa omuta ball matches we share DSTV so I say most of the matches ball at 1 at 2 at 1 at 2 p.m. So if you are putting a game and I say we schedule a game at 1 p.m. don't you think say to favor the Zambians more? Because normally you ball 1 p.m. Ghana you ball only 3 p.m. and I think say sport spectators and I say supporters and I say fans Embra Stadium now they will need more of the they will need say schedule time from 1 to somewhere around 4 for the spectators to even come and fill maybe half of the stadium. But around 1, it is very, very difficult for the spectators to come and cheer them. And also, a bit favor Zambia for it because on 1, you have to part on ball. So, and I think they should look at it. Say now, you can say, and I say, Sike can say, go into the group stage. You need a midfielder. Wakasa, the last time only Ash Gold Boy over a month ago, Wakasa been here a midfielder. Kotoko 4G2 say yes, indeed, we have to beef up the squad. Omuko Sudan, one signing, but yet Omu person Mukoji camp no. Sike as a coach, winning the first time about any African club competition. Players do now more team. Most of them, the first time Omu tasted Confederation Cup because the last time Kotoko played was in 2008. Omumbo club competition, into most of the players Omumbo first time experience. Ushe traveling, most of them is the first time Omu travel to other countries. Back, Omu rest time. Processes when new to this place. If you are demanding, say they should go and perform well, and so they just go and bring the cap back to Ghana. I think it's a difficult ask. Every Siki, anything no. And let's just say, since it's the first time, Kotoko 4 and lower expectation. Now, baby, I'm funny say, maybe a cap now competition on boy for experience for another time. But next see with the pressure, where to coach so I brought coach so as I said, midfielders, midfielders no defenders, the strikers, on yana utamanu. And I think they should lower the expectation. Now, who's there on the other side? Hearts of Folk, Omuya there, and Akim Grant. Now, Omabo 11 games. Out of the 11 games, Omabo, Oma winning 9, Oma draw 1, Oma losing 1. Now, Oma about 25 goals in this process. Now, I make a choice based on these small statistics. Kim Grant or be our attacking football. The philosophy and I said the principles of playing in attacking so into usually interviews so interviews are indeed or emphasizing on the fact say or per se players on pay attention to the demands and as I pay attention to or no Kim the demands as a coach say me per se say you should play this and as a move ball way in this kind of style me pay into ubesha or there but prof my scenario way kito now, in the pre-season games, no. Say about 11 games.
Say pre-season games and competitive.
Sir,
competitive.
Yes, but who's also who's a team no adapt for some time now. Waba into the team new. I
say teams now on so your team some other for some time.
Yes.
Azakes and then me come back cause coach no kita Azakes currently no. Omo head coach need to kwan no dey actually ja no a player, no a captain kwade my team no. As in man ko yem fama na nti obo a na supporters no hutu a team and a coach na convert na an assistant coach no dey actually ama na o dey prepare nti say a coach of Kim Grant caliber na ko she sa coach we a onye adwuma bia as what to obura boss what aso no enkozi hwe
sa na kan pepe na ubesha pre-season nti is trying to put the team in shape na me catch you say mama wo sa scenario yi wa hu nipa oye adwuma mienu na adwuma mienu nyina ayeyeda oye adwuma mienu at the same time sa adwuma mienu ayeyeda entwida wa e bia say taxi driver or cars mienu ono a person on choose cars mienu nyina at the same time. Is it possible? And possible. Yes. Now, Ushe Kim Grant, a Juma Wajiwa, Accra House of Folk, Nutumo da, Nutuma Bonu, no Hulu, they are phobia there. He is working as a technical director and as a coach. Juma, you know, is working. Is working as a technical director and as a first team coach for Accra House of Folk. Now, Ushe Kim Grant, the career as a coach. Or starting 2008 working FC working
obekita oboduom kakrama mekwa ma so na ye ne Edmond Aka wono greater Accra rep for Kumasi Asante Kotoko na papa in terms of a club administration here odon wagin bebrebe enti Kotoko ba ye die asode amukwa nkatenkwan ne die mu no ato no ye restaurant nema esi ekọ edemom emra omo return from Sudan trip no edi ye mwadwo
awojo
bibia bokode. Oh, okay. Now,
So me okay.
Oh, okay. The mbe do time eh.
Oh, yeah, 11:35 a.m. now. So around there, but if you now about 12 something.
Okay. 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 Na boy nkomo kakra na ekwan so sesen.
The council boko.
Okay, na niam ko yen so eh.
The council so yakwa. Bibi aboko.
Okay. Okay. Me sure say enye mo expectation ni e buy na na.
Me too question no.
Me sure say results e buy no e na mo expect.
Oh. Results about any they expected there. In football no, the results no. But yeah, no, you call on man. I say you qualify for the group stage. You know, you know this year so. You know, say about 3 home matches and 3 away matches. Out of the 3 away, you know, your points are I just say about accumulated from the 3 away matches. If you know there, everyone, so.
Okay. It is say more the match is so humusin talk akra going into the face amaramu.
Of course. You call on no. Me him say opponent no. Start the competition no, or you're unbeaten at home, but you're beatable away. The home no, we're winning 3-0, 4-0, and 1-0. Out of the 3 matches no, on consider goal on home was 8 goals in 3 matches. And on away so, and also you the meaning taking into consideration. You know, a question of beside there. Yeah, and of course I on top of everything and about boy and so on. My man say I did see and so say the competition no cry this is a track good stage, you know. I am passing it to me at all.
Okay. Na mesara de bako de na ekoye hintidu akakade mamu weda no ana reception amunya ye na bibia koyi na officiating kra.
Well, what done the year call the no you the what done tell that. If you go back village into won ko do bi ko mu ansana won say the weather Asempa. Yeah, from time I go Kenya. Na you can weather Asem e ho ma ye de copy e kopon. E train ya sana ye ba ko Cameroon ye ba ko win na ni say the weather Asem city. Into weather no the na enye issue my adebakwa and also yet 2 months to Ghana and ye call on one and ye go no support this. Yes, so 62,000 stadium capacity. And on your only 62. The you and say not the do or players and you have no we did it. They do a be not born and Sadom so now who you do. I'm not even a pa. Do a be not about referees no pressure so on point. After the usually don't say no Farouk so much to go back here to one bar. On bar no more than that whole waste time. This time around no more put more no. Now a course over. Over say 90 minutes now. Your boy no make me can be about 80 minutes.
Okay. Okay. Na me hwe so we say 1-0 margin there. Na say e ka kitikiti bi mo yere mo kakra bi a ke bi ambetia teka no kra ama niama akwa draw kra na ka mo de abafie. Nti na say bibia ni wa call wrong one.
Well, so you know group stage you know and CAF intercal competition never be brass home. In terms of officiating, our stage you drew there. Many sure say who will complain be about those on the breed. Issues about and say a mood delay or your hotel on over 1 hour. Yeah, agree with per-match technical meeting say team no be 2 F in hotel 4 o'clock. Also by the regulation, I see you do countdown 90 minutes before kick off for stadium. Into your fatality now. into a time I say the hotel. You PFE your hotel region hotel no anymore no. Now car and I say a fire no name you. Now official car no for the leader of the organization and they see what. And a police motorcade back and I need you but no be anyone. Meanwhile, you call you train before the match. Now you use 3 motorcades. Until you know, I don't pay any idea here. The move on run take off on the delay, you know. You see, your Saturday's training. Also, Saturday, you know, the regulation, you know, say you train 1 hour at the same time. I take off on run. The match venue. Which is a match in 6 p.m. I saw most of that in this is my. And also, you do want to light in this so. You better a train half on the call off. Okay, I said, me take it up the wall with the match coordinator, general coordinator. No. And also, before I will make sure I light on the 130 minutes of film. Into maybe now, I can't say. Pretty much as you presume say or why there you say or understand the game. It is any man on it is Africa mono. Kotokone we now they above that pettiness in the world any man but they are not unfortunately for us the people on we general requirements are over 1 hour. So I have to quickly go into my room, let me internet access and lodge official complaint to CAF and make pictures of the scene and they send a CAF. So I said, he said, I said, team no, it drew stadium at the expected time nearby situation is any.
Okay.
The finally we knew I'm saying, do 2 minutes now. Every firm said, Barcelona.
Okay. From the narration, Sadia Man, say, Munya, a very fair and a neutral platform. Sudan. Most go a shady was around the 40th minute. First half.
Exactly so because me na masati me time me take minute by minute report on the incidents I also. So time we play away yellow card, time we no go no buy, time we start time we no match in the end it is 40th minute. Okay. The two will be almost 43rd minute, it 44th minute. And you on the right say to go no bar at the 40th minute.
Okay, very good.
And go no your partner and I say to me I avoid it. And no quiet course and the course here and no baby no. After I said your corner, your home now, I wait till New Year results to be a qualified. I'm not the house throughout.
Okay. Enti na mehwa de ba ko say 40th minute. Na say o be say 45 minutes or 5 minutes to close up for the first half no. And also mo prepare kama and I'm saying about the next 45 minutes which is the second half. E chese den am for your interpretations. Team I show 40th minute when we am so atena ma bi o man fa bi kwa meka wo mu fie. Na say as a recovery rate no e wo fa me slow and I be sir.
You know question. Anka Ubi a winning football, no pioneer, no for Afghan, no. Uncle Ubeka say, second half on a baby be a good to crash over 4 or 5. And now I shall come by 3. So, person can of prepare. It's your what the question recovery rate. And get a book, Masana, overcast recovery. Yeah, bow away and at the territory, Nippano was share 8 goals in the last 3 games. That was the same venue. I don't consider go. It's the whole team financial recovery rate. Right now, second half, we recover very fast. You had to say Caravaggio for 83 bars. And Cotton Sports also 82. But your ball on with the number of times, you hit a crossbar. It say, you find number one as a car recovery rate. And then now, you said, will be able to pump more show. Yeah, you will see about 5 matches. The first match, and the next 5 games, and the next games is against Let's Go United. As I said, BBC, a partner against our 3 points, until you don't want to drop more on the match, you will see the But after yesterday's game, I might move in your hope, say, team bia you bia group stage na ye body mo and he be to me I will stand to bia match on deba.
Okay. Na e say nyame adoma mo next game dey and that so ho.
Of course. The operation is to win the 9 maximum points at Babayara. A win away and 2 draws, possibly. If you call Subakwa, I say the agenda is still on. Either we draw 2 or win 1. Until I know the any baby I echo, baby you do any baby I quite fast to do any baby I echo. Until no Nanka a per se do we shot here. So Oma yes you to me show me some say and that on partner we see you know we try and say we to redeem what and to me uncle when we see said the name no until we move on to the next.
Okay. We are aware of time I'm about sa game no.
Oh Wallace. Me aware.
Maybe sir.
I can so be that the time when I'm more about the next game. But I said me aware can for communicating directly with the participants no. It before I ever buy into the media, they are aware of that.
Okay. It's your time being
1 p.m. on Wednesday 13th February.
Okay. Ebe favor mo.
The 6 p.m. on the 6 p.m. near Kobo. Easy was. Okay, the last time I got to go ball match, it was our time, no. 1987 against Zawalik. Yes, I know the yeah, they share time, no. But this time we do group stage in a calf, they determine kick-off time. The look at say a bit via. I can win as go for no could be some. Yeah, you're born on a pro, you're born on Machu. They see and this say a must win at Babaya.
A must win.
Yes.
As a bibia, mo baby, I'm moving to him, the mobile.
Now, let's go for no. They are your Baba Canada. I know him.
Yahweh.
Bona, I am Mujin Kofor, so I will be pay near you in Kofor and Gadia. Momo by you who you can body for bay and go to me for our chairman. Cotton sports for your friend chairman. Your shop will be a protest. It's the idea who oh, ba, maybe be a mechanic, even appear an advert or you can do it. I say, let them come. Me no ana team be Baba Bayara supposed to make the man or let them come.
Okay. Now, I can wait. Wadamo, more qua FAB ni bidi machi.
You start the campaign, no dear. FA ni BND, but I remember Ora August Nasante Abaso and the spouse and the FA. Communication no between any or more error interclub competition no there super. You were who you know before even up to time one you broken kick off you know on your community. Bibia so an answer course between and the calf. And our consensus be a wa and say do calf you know. Thank I was on there of course into August Nasante Alex Asante. And then the stars, the banner that's so very new, true, no name, Macado, name, Senamo, and then Benis, no, you know, Edomasi, never be on the bedroom. Because competition where I am born, say, oh, Missy, be back, pay a back or so more than the 90th minute icing on the field. It is so far, no, or more, I support here, in terms of administrative issues as I handle the competition. Okay.
Referees so be di machi.
They need referee be too quiet.
Okay. Mwana moko na moba.
One is all the cover.
Okay. Mate.
Oh, you be saying you know a time I said team be too quiet. I was say you will be from the FA or you leader of the delegation. Any you be a referee back one member.
That's right.
The last time I echo Africa no last year in a car boy I said Kokupa man, I leader of the Grecian Fast and the Kotoko. But I started competition with the be but while I said, so only me agree say, and go for you lead Kotoko, no, we are competent and capable of leading our team to wherever we have to go. Meanwhile, there was African football, man, African competition, more. You know, whether we will be uncle, and said that I this one. But main fast, I can't always remember I can't say once. And now, before the game, you got a message, you're ready to the team, the coach, and the rest of the team. And then the supporter, Abanam, so at the Maya, 10 BR, new crash Asempa. Say in every game, you know, you get a message, you feel na swear into Yamishran.
Okay. Now, message in one neighbor, now 150,000 United States of American dollars, and no amount. Am I?
Well, remember, Nabasu Bione, Nanado Danko Kufado Abaso say, Baby, I am a dear Bidruno, Yakopa Koma say, Team BR, a big group stage of any of the CAF interclass competition, you know, I buy a war. After they be play, that was that team, no, Ejimedium. The Champions League, now do with the CCNO, over $200,000. Say, confederation, yeah, boy, when you do group stage, you know, you have $150,000. You two coins, reason by you two coins, and they are near the group. Now, say my I buy the card at all. Your next trip because it's kind of my you need to do the invoice in your 2 minutes or media.
Okay. Edmond Aka, Medawase, Sabra Sequence, you mean Swajipine, na one Asempa 94.7 FM Altrankumo, na Ghana for any crocotita phone so, and was an Yama ACA co, Elmo Club, Yamia Domina Beach, Adjun Subima, Ebessa, any weddings also, na Wabo Nkomo.
Mr. Dawson, time no be something minimum time. What can't say a guitar for us or minimum time on over so much?
I'm saying, what can you mate?
And you know, beside.
What can you mate with the confirmation about? I'm saying, now Michael Luke, I know what he can. It was not the confirmation about Asempa, so time now, mobile game, Nidia, be sure so mate. Say one of the people in here, I interview.
Well, as much, you know, Wednesday, and also CAF program now. Your first home match Wednesday 13th February. The rest of the two no Sunday. Program no almost they are toward that. But time you know and already tell me we say 1 p.m. They can't do almost time. And our pre-match technical meetings so we come from the bench there. You call Sudan no. Your one a young male say pre-match no 12 midday Saturday. Nigeria new option be say packing the money into you know so time my it is as to when you will call pre-match technical meeting, you know. You say you about match on Wednesday, you be Tuesday, but time you the back corner there. You young free match organizers, you know, a calf and as you see there, be down into no say be back. That's your time say 1 p.m. you know, go for company say a midweek, other than the question or my person who say yeah. And you determine take off time and then a match day. Your bought group stage a year support a beer and soon say on a could be a year from this time you drew, but when you drew what they are a calf on the determine and yet management and a club on the determine.
Okay. I can wait a you. Auntie Mechia Domi press before now. And run
the lunch here. You harvest, but now me Sudan.
Okay.
I see how. Michiano.
Mate.
I just said, come on, some people are catching on me. Will fear that. The Biamakai.
Mate.
Na Ibishia, Sarama Kukumase.
Okay. It's Mechia, a years of my men, so why?
So, my Mrs. Patricia Adi.
Aha.
Obetis.
Nature no edit anyu no na e me fe no.
And they give oko preba press before show us of what I review.
Mate. Edi me da se bebre. Okay. Edmond Aka a great Aka rep Edma Kumasi Asante Koroko. Where Domi Presby Asafo Panyi and alternate Cassia Network no churches and Yama AC Echo Efa Kumasi Asante Koroko. But Mesava Kunya Kesi so Emfa we are doing it for the fans but when from Mame Leticia aka Araba Neza of Air Takrade na ohwe Mame Leticia aka Araba Neza of Takrade also be mutafa achese ono so 80 obabia ono so 80 into the fantastic evening enkomo bibia ono so edna fidi na to Captain Smart personal person Godwin enso ofia ono so be mutafa o say listening tight na say where's the Mexico so makwan en na ne tie ne ho kra ema bibia so ekọ kama e de ma no madam ba kon so Alexander Oponjima ono so the message about ono so otie good evening prof Wallace Kim beat Mediama 3-1 at their backyard which Kotoko couldn't beat under CK and then enkomo bi so e de aba e wa ha no obamu so ha message ni bebre na eba happy birthday belated trust me Kotoko will go far but I will give you full results of what will happen tomorrow and it happens please let me be in your studio it's not juju inshallah I'm Rashid Ayola Sprinters and Rashid nso the way aba say obema ya ni besi china nti ye hese na ma besi koso so nyame a ye be hu se na ma besi akọ good evening Wale wish you happy belated birthday age with more grace but please can you play me any voice interview you did with Aite Powers? This is Abraham from Amasaman and also anyway Abba Abraham. Also good evening, Prof. In fact, I really don't understand why Kotoko have conceded in all their CAF Confederation matches. This means that Kotoko have poor defense. So I think CK Akono should work on them very well before their next game. Else Kotoko will find it very difficult to qualify to the next stage of the competition. By the way, I wish the best of luck in their game. Aminu inside Kaswa Freetown and Ami and so Eddie Abba. Hi Wale, please mark my words. A penalty or two will come to the rescue of Kotoko at Kumasi come Wednesday. Tornado Kwashiman and also the way Abba. Also good evening, Prof. And belated birthday, Mr. Edmonaka. Please, we all watch the game, so he should stop telling us they were sleeping, wasting time. They should put it behind and start planning ahead. And Asema Ubiso Edi Abba Ewanum. Was the Prof EK Wallace? Please help me to do fasting and prayers for this normalization committee so that God will open their ears to hear the good news you are preaching. Thanks, Ima, and also anyway, Abba say Ima so yeah a comtre and now odem pabo etechri e de boa say bia normalization committee man so be na nsempa ye can mo betin at a Prof. I believe my Kotoko can qualify from the group stage. My greetings to Sia from Kojo Breakfast Sprinters and also anyway abija kode me sure say obi hod beja no akoda on shada nta ho obi beja no akoda. I say Prof, I think your views on the normalization committee are apt. I thought you were just bashing them and then some have been so ediaba. Yeah, critical thinking. What? How can we just be bashing them? And we are good evening, Wale. Kotoko will go far. A black prophet from Akuku Aso Clinic and also anyway Abba Ricky Kofi Ajamai and so say happy belated birthday. Kotoko will bounce back. All the best with Ricky. Ricky no Ricky dia also no so dia kese nkwa but on country bia kan wa e fa dia fa hono no catch oboko until Ricky fantastic evening and come on. Dr. Kofi Amwa is like Moses leading Ghana football to cross the Red Sea. Ghana football will be back again. Charles Gabriel inside Dansoma Sahara Garden and also anyway Abba ewa ha I say I'm watching you from Germany. Elder Philip, great job. Good, God bless you, bro. And here some Elder Philip. One also say, oh Germany, OT say Jumedi, and so Ghana. Wale, good evening. If Kotoko chop one bag of Gary, they can't make it. They should forget the cap. Say Kofi from Dansoman, and also anyway Abba. Hi, Prof. Watching you live from Tessano. More fire, Prof. Ghana's finest presenter from Edem fans here. Oh, mommy, papa. I say I am waiting for you, my boss, to lasting you okay no person can so utie life and call it oh baby a fantastic evening and come on obi say you are welcome sakeke and also ede eba wa hanom Chasabwaji, and so say Utie Jumedi, Nafika to Krabuakuta, and also Utie Tina Green, and so say Utie Jumedi, and Senipa 18, one more edos of Paye cry, Wahakra inti went here. I don't know why I got is only concentrated on winning no matches alone. Barca or Madrid won't set a target like this to themselves. Kotoko should think big. Jojo from Tema or Untimia Onion day. Jojo. Okay. Good evening. Adieu from Abomusu. Hey, Abomusu for me, chamo. Enjoy the show via Facebook Live. Keep the fire burning. More leaks to flow. My mentor, and only Asema, and also Eddie Abba. George Eddie Abba, Prof. We will talk about the birthday, how to pay my part. George, when lunch is ready, don't be late. Where's the name? You go, sir. I say, okay, go on with Pinanaba. It's Michael to us.
Now, make Kim Grant to us. I mean, I say, Jumana Wajigo, Hearts of Folk, Juma Kesepa. Now, we share Kim Grant, the managerial career. I started Woking Football Club. Sa club na National League competition amubo England. Juma wo in the year 2008 May. About 21 matches, and out of the 21 matches, a possible over 7 matches, and out of the 7 matches, about a possible 21 points. On your 2 pay, or lose 19 points into your unity. In September was na September. Everyone about Ghana, every coaches team be a friend in Takrady Football Club. From there, now establish your academy, Kim Grant Academy. From there, now a movie called Asia Club. A coach war, and also Ubembia. I won't say or move ahead. Technical director, Edema Drafts. The achievement was to save them from going to relegation. In now. Or technical director for Omina Shark and Sea Lions. Now, the record, and I said the background we there's no time in his life say why both a technical director and the head coach of a football team. He has never done it before. Now, yes, I did, and I said, yes, I do want to go. Accra Hearts of Folk, no less club, but a bigger club like Accra Hearts of Folk. Pressure. It was our team now. Jumana no say obi be hwe ne ya e be a technical director no ntia say obi be hwe ne ya waji oti akenten eni akwesi apia ejuma na oka mum na oye na make review oye a technical director role and a first team coach role ushu ejuma ne ya coach eti akenten na ejuma oye wo Ghana waji say ejuma no na wasa ji kwesi apia coach kwesi apia Black Stars asa ji na ejuma na waka two we abom na oye wo class of folk. Say about the club footballer, say Uli Kluche, the technical director for international allies. Rashid Didi, the coach. And think for me on the Juma, now I didn't know Wakabum, no class of folk. Now, if you look at the coaching staff and I said the backroom staff, Kaisa only assistant coach. The backroom staff in most of the work, and I said Juma be now, no one oye. Now the managerial career, yes, I do that. Now, House of Folk, no, yes, I do now I'm catch you say. On the technical director basis, and I said, Rona, area man, I'm sure say a class of folk come on the project. We say we want to stop buying names, and I want to stop signing players. We want to create our own stars. So in the next 5 years, we want you to create stars. And I say we are creating players, because I wish a generation of players. This is a club into Rufo Kobna, Razak. Samudi, Atinga, so we have to replace all these players. As a technical director, is in charge not only of the first team football, but is in charge of the progress of the under 17. Unze Royal Oaks no last now come about structure club that year in place. I'm putting in place. Into under 17, if you more 20 players, is in charge. Say you ensure the individual development of some players in we should Ghana. You see your talent, but we don't see this talent develop to the highest level. Into when I can as a technical director, you must ensure say under 17 boys. He say House of Folk were about 25 under 17 boys, and Juma say you collaborate with under 17 4 coach or my friend Royal Oaks to see the personal development of every player. Or better progress here now. What promoting about Auroras or under 20 under 20 so he has to work with the coach of the Auroras to see the individual development of all these players. You understand? To see the individual development of all these players. answer you have to also establish a pattern of play and I say a style of football. Who's on board chairman? They will say up a beautiful football. Role as a technical director, he must make sure say House of Folk Academy and also youth structure is playing a kind of footballer AFA. Now it tallies also with the first team. Into where Ekano Juma as a technical director. One and say also on making sure say House of Folk say person top players be signings are on my this season. Most of them nkwara signing which I say they are looking at building their own players and are creating a new generation of players. Ebia the next Black Star and I say in the next national team under 17 and 20 you see most of these players in. Now apart from doing his role as a technical director also coaching the first team. First team results oriented. First team no more results no matter what. Say if you are building a team who build the team you must provide results. Into Juma now you know two roles. Now I can boom Otiake Juma ena Kwesi Apia Juma na waka boom na King Grant here no. Into Juma no Otiake Juma as a technical director. Kwesi Apia Juma as a coach. Yes. That roles me no na waka boom na here. Juma no so. Onye sa Juma ne da. Into is not going to experiment at a big club like Accra Folk. Into Usha Juma na men supporters didn't just say omu performing in pre-season is going to be the same. Say omunya competitive footballer. So omunya competitive football. Now coach he has to choose between these two roles. Whether say obe create players for the future, and I say you focus on results because ultimately yes, Sanyama will win na onunkwa Abraham only assistant coach. We don't even know the backroom staff. And he has to choose one. And if he choose one, I'm sure so obe choose the first team because he has to produce results. The spectators and I said the fans of Accra Folk will demand say you should give them results. Against Kotoko, they will demand performance, not only performance but results. Into Ubesha, Nejuma as a technical director will fall short. Players are also creating na Accra Folk into players Bioma. Then now tossing. So focusing on results base. Now when your results so into phobia where a caution. First caution to the fans say a big shower players he praises. Mema e can't fair e can't make you mwame. Mema omutrimu yomde. But they should rather focus say a Juma na ida ma coach ni huge. No too da. Inti support be a coach ni we here no. Omo fama no. Na ntumi nye say Juma creating players as a technical director and ensuring performance as a first team coach. Say Juma ne super na you interview and I say we Otiake interview mostly the team and I say Asempa kwa I catch you say it's all about development. It's all about development. Now say you want to cry we don't see the talent I say you see your work we don't see them develop. In the development alone is a huge ask and some are coaching roles in the places are players are because of the performances of Muchoki were preseason. I think it's early enough to be giving them these praises. Now in the real competition and I say in the real competitive games we are going to see whether I say sir Ejumana Waji as a technical director and as a football coach or when here and I say onye here but okay I still Asempa 94.7 FM so anu asugu so atie no nkomo no mafo bi na de o madwen kire eba but na pese mehwe ayi mehwe records no sena nema esietie de ma Accra has of football no we records na Kim Grant 11 matches so far we has near us in few has in the some more dia it has 5 Unique Stars 1 has 1 Ejatete Fulham FC 1 Mediama 1 has 3 has 1 Future Stars 0 has 3 Tuduma TJ 0 Agona Fankoba 0 has 2 House of Folk 1 Royal FC 2 House of Folk 2 National Under 21 Sky FC 1 and Afi House of Folk 2 House of Folk 1 Uncle T United 0 and Afi Secondary Azake 0 House of Folk 4 we listen to my Asia Kosuna we winning 9 or draw 1 and I lose 1 and about 25 goals Edia Gum and I feel so goals Shetiano no where's in the Mexico 7 against 1 and 18 and I feel Subama 28 points and a PM where the highest scoring player waha Joseph Enso I share 5 goals Abubakar Tuari I share 4 and I feel Bakai Salasi I share 4 or Benjini I share 3 Kwesi Anthony I share 3 and Kofi Koji I share 2 Uma Manaf
ashe 2 Mohamed Fatau ashe 1 ana afin so eye Kamara Ngwesan ono so aposo atena ne baako ehonum ede ama eye Accra Hasufo
ye statistics kakra odi agu ono say enye player baako na ye a lot of players in the way hallmark of a good team different players in the omon form into player baako so say you have to save us all the time in the game when we are down but it's pre-season and I say it's early days yet omuntu omwase na adwuma na wagin or performing 2 roles as a technical director to ensure development of youth players and the first team players. As a first team coach, you have to provide results and good performance of players. In their job soon, they should take their time. Every support over here on the backroom staff, assistant coach, and so now on delegated powers because the work is very huge, a difficult task.
Okay, I still Asempa 94.7 FM so ana wasongu so a utie no yenko mu biom na yene Carl Loco or a former trainer at Emma aye the Azonto boxer Carl Yemau Ajo. Bibia boko de. Okay, o Ghana.
Ghana no Ghana.
O ba Ghana ma menton kan. O ba Ghana ma menton kan.
Oh, there is some show. Tell me go Juma. And I also show for Juma every day.
Oh, okay. Weekend oh boy Richard Comey saying.
Oh, you don't. I mean, can boxing. I know say we have to say a Jew time. And then I don't mama in Saka the dream. Be a world champion.
Okay. Tinese training out the man na ene odidi hu no.
When then obi a training no. Na the day go kan na winning crown na. So the old chair no. And also can be. You know the anya be a obetimi ya found ana ka say refi ene me kan.
Okay. And this I win we ever credit na ma won.
And me na meka. Ni anka sami ntimi nka. Oni pa na okoye adwuma no ono no ne ndie se onka ana de onye. E me anka sami ka se credit ni ma me a se me anka sana me bo mabaso. There
okay. Na ufa no wan fa.
Come asem dia me tin ka me nim. Se ka nan so me nim no se Tama oye young boy who say oye good football and you know call under 12 Service Academy and I ball so say ogari to call under 14 want me and continue and I journey kickboxing kickboxing me up and down sana Sabe bien say so your boxing as me abuana na why not obi am nim da no nya free na America say the culture will be offering the shares and then about 14 years if I'm not lying yeah.
Okay tell one why no adwuma abedu sa stage we okay or about we monet saying or the number of bouts wabo ene ne opponent abo na ne opponent na say or less bouts uhwema abam set about 13 fights and na waye or Richard Comey anes or nanim pa na we a must win man so
before the fight my analysis and calculations am I they can plain say there is no way Richard Comey is going to lose this fight. Sometimes, and you say this is a war now, and the said how they are making because we share Richard Comey standard and our share opponent so now. What's the Richard one and him? You know the say boxing one blow near different now to or the opponent and to the near on say on the victory, and the tipping on Sana. 5 near Bass and one.
Okay. Richard Agent, I was saying.
The agent is 31.
Okay.
32 match.
Okay. It's in boxing 32 match. Still officer and Kwaka crowd and more bet me. I
Oh, yeah, our more time because
We are boxer now. What's me show on so? What's me on your chair? And now what's me on chair again? What you say? And the media maybe say. So what's me?
We believe Eddie Mano against a Russian counterpart which say na bout to be form and one.
Yes, I mean, a idea downstairs. So we, I work on a research coming web title. And one say, Obian say, easy. Now, so share calculations now. And you say, me can say 5 near easy. Now, so we are comparison. On no upper hand. And this Uncle Kojina honor acquire me, be a fan of swap. A very big question. And say, Omoansa. And the media may, when you say, over winning fight.
Okay. Unification bouts, we ma'am say, boxer be deep to Jadida, and I'm Yadam on any bebo. Western and MSCT, they say, Bibia Koyo, Hosana Koyo Hano, or as early as second round, yes, and Kunya, they say, Sanda Bay.
I say, boxing, apart from division, I and say, a weight, your level and quality of boxers are the same division, the same weight, sometimes they depend. Well, the other like the kind of opponent, and the kind of say Sadia, the name say it's done deal, but Lomachenko against Richard Komeno, I mean a serious fight, and type of fight we crown I can watch them.
Vasily Lomachenko, I can say Ukrainian brand here. What the best 30 years? Ness Richard older than him. Any effect on so.
Effect wine so.
Our Richard Comey so say be a papa ono yamba got 32 year. Ness Richard Kwana couldn't me.
Well. Now 1 year and 2 years difference no. So I don't just been in the bar and
okay, to wait in a cheap
and the difference, yeah. It's not about the age now, it's about the level and the quality or the experience wise. I don't know how I say my age in the engine this or not there.
Okay. New Tanka team no Omoya there and as still I use them.
Oh, let me don't say everyone say you're quite winning and see what are you going to say? I will just applaud what they are doing because it's the same boxing you are doing. So Richard Comey, I yet different, far different. From time I'm in Jumana, and also a big question. And our question mark say, okay, they are coming and I are coming now. Since I call new technical team, no, and our new coach, no, still no type of fighter, any type of fighter. All Kusiano. So your comparison, I will say there is no much difference via until other code the standard of Robert Easter, Sevikov, and maybe other guys on your one because that standard no high. Sorry to say, change. I mean the last 3 fights are Wakono. And once someone winning the Makase challenge, you should just push them. And for them to go forward because apart from everything, I'm on a board talking about a GBA board. So when it comes to development of boxing, I just have to be there for everybody. So I'm encouraging them and I'm applauding what they are doing. I have done what I have to do, and I believe I was doing my best work with him. But hey, what can you say? What can you do? If you choose to do it this way, just allow him.
Okay. Lomachenko Kraso corner back with some also 13 fights, 12 wins, 9 by way of knockout, Walusubako. And then say, okay, can come 13 fights here, and one o few miles out in terms of experience, the next Richard Comey, the experience na else rent way, ebe as an about to you cry address your hazard, the unification bounty.
I don't say Lomachenko on match records when it comes to professional, but so only in the background, only in history, because he has been a good amateur boxer. And non tina about professional, in never year in terms of man. as the say no pound for pound on so crowd over born and and son of for be and the the standard no and now the quality no it was high and the ain't yet so simple say near Yamia don't we are no now saying in nature no boxing no one blow with a difference now so that fight no it's a fight that we all have to pray for it to come.
Okay, Carl Loco, one of boxing's finest trainers. You better say you may when you are drinking como. Yamia Duma emsa with time no. You better send in South Subu.
Yo, madam.
Okay, Mr. Medase, Carl Loco, and I tell Cano on formerly on a training Richard Comey, the Azonto boxer. Where we need about to know briefly on Richard Comey.
Okay, Prof, now we share Richard Comey. The fight. Wow, last Saturday around 10 p.m. Now before the fight, no, now the record is 27-2. In the fight we have 28-2. We're losing, you know, on draw. Now we need 28, and out of the 28, you know, now previous record here 24 knockout, but the only last Saturday 25 knockouts. So I think it's improving by the training and then the new manager tactics and I say training how the man no is making the guy improve from their local man no. Into you should say maybe only Robertista Jr. But anya fight biom na you prove to him say on losing man for the second time biom. And I think say Richard Comey why there na utie me fight now na commentator they can say boa or bua kolano na is doing it for the Bukum boys. I don't know say area utie sa commentary no. And I think say is doing Bukum proud. He is doing the boys Abukum Chokom and Probi young boys are better boxes in the future. He's doing them proud, and I think they will learn from him to get to the top.
Okay, I still Asempa 94.7 FM Sports Night Energy Media yedi bro still na OPM national under 20 team no wo mu game no amantia won ne omutimi boy na mencha de ball 90 minutes ni wie no na Burkina Faso ese guess no Asia am fi bi faso for na transfer bagana etwa bakami no a wo antimi ante Daniel Lomoti oninya brace e was against no ema national under 20 team no record o first victory e was against him.
Sagi no like I say it wasn't expected based on say pre-season games wasn't going that well. Into I think say on preparation say they call you know maybe as draw will be a fair result, but you see that on 130 year with 2 goals. Daniel Moto is from Wafa, and the development is right as far as the player is concerned. And the 2 goals around, I think they were starting on a good note. Now, and you want to say almost started because this players here, coach here from he has trained with them for some time, and he knows the right players to pick at the right time. And I think say we congratulate them. We congratulate Jimmy. Say imagine the first victory, and this will prepare them even further. Say we qualify out of the group stage to go to the World Cup over Poland. Yeah.
Okay. Yenko mu bio na fe Mame Lucy Quest. Say who the position now vice chairperson of the Ghana Football Association Normalization Committee no. Na and then come about Joy FM no we no. Na him say ebia error. So no aka on Facebook also no but still I know since she Ghana for you and on the koju san twen ko san repeat the same thing na wasan dey ko on the Facebook one so I'm say yeah print we na 4 minutes I say thank you to everyone who tune in to hear me on the Super Morning Show on Joy 99.7 FM. I hope the discussion gave some food for thought. There was one error in my submission that I would like to correct. I erroneously said the GFA has the xylophone contract. The GFA does not. For this error, I apologize. I hope this clarifies the matter. Thank you. T. Urechia, one for the comment by Benjamin McCartney, 6 orders. As the time I'm printing, no more to trebi abona kama. Na mameno enye be asem no so kana wa ge bia wie no oni Ghana foko jo san interview outside nkoma mamelu su quest esande je ni
last week and I issue up I remember very well say on my show grand na me kan wasem about the fact that Xylophone Cash Premier League.
Asempa FM.
Xylophone Cash Premier League, you know. Yes, a more contract in World Football Association. What more? Then I'm there. I didn't. Contract in Ayra.
First of all, no, I said it this on Messakabio. Minima decudentia, people are focusing on a contract. So, first of all, we have all our contracts.
Asempa FM.
The question I will be saying, it is a petty question. It is petty in the sense that you have big strategic issues to resolve in football. We don't have even just one contract. We have many contracts. The conversations we should be having, they say,
Asempa FM.
The amount of money you to me raising SSR. And now say, when we sign sponsorship deals with companies, are we honoring our part of the deal? There are more strategic conversations to have. But people just want to have, I don't understand why that particular one, into that sort of one-by-one contract in Semno. I don't know why people are focused on it, but it doesn't help us. No one is at the end of the day, any company that signed a contract for a specific tournament, whether it's a league, whether it's a cup, whatever they signed for, no game no mumba sikan emba, because we sign a contract. Now I say we are a FA Cup sponsor.
Asempa FM.
Because company governance, yes, sir. So let us focus on the key issues of resolving football.
So follow said football maybe you realize that issues about contracts are everyone critical, where percentages and the commissions there are raising a lot of controversy. In the normalization na omoko GFF so no so want mean locate contract na the headline sponsor of the league in yehu and we don't think it's a big issue.
Asempa FM.
It's a tactical operational issue. It's also a strategic issue. The biggest strategic issue is say, how are we managing contracts in general? Well, like I said, first of all, those contracts predate the normalization. Secondly, we are in the process of doing a forensic audit.
Asempa FM.
Auditor. It is not about one contract. It is not about Sikaba Kong Biamao. It is about everything. Forensic audits now FIFA, it is about everything. If there's something that has gone wrong from that point of view now in terms of money handling, it will come out in the forensic audit. If I say dream now to one contract, so what about journalist in you do a thorough job, not about one individual item. About everything in a structured way. Internal reports number. Where you say.
Okay, enti mama look request. Na nkomo di jay no. Who say Ghana foko you say the question be who so the attempt di na buy. Or say where you petty. What I say question a trivia who nimfa so. What I say asem kitikiti bi kra pense papa wa and guess what kan. Na sabe where trivia petty. Who nimfa so adwene ne nyansan nim no. And now they are to Facebook say thank you everyone who tuned in to hear me on the Super Morning Show on Joy 99.7 FM. Hope the discussion gave some food for thought. There was one error. They say, I didn't have petty no. After they went to answer. Yeah, Oko school do actually pass. I know. Went to answer. And after they say, well, ratify say, oh yeah, error. Into another yefa enchel and faster than the might say, petty question. No, I'm surprised. Some of waiting for Friday football job. Ya can't say we are kaka. We only now, Sanomati. What be the question? I'll bet you question it as an academician. No one told the boss no answer question. It's not say what was civil a bad idea about two journalists now be the question to know one reply or the buy. So we petty for the benefit of those who just tune in. It's a petty question. And on Sunday I got to Facebook also editor by Saba home. Salome not you who be some question from normally committee panel the same thing. The same things I know that you opportunity because game no money to Takashi a bit question or say question a tactical operational issue instead no case but a strategic a tactical operational issue. What is the meaning of this? When I say what is the meaning of this, just combining words not only before the into this is tactical operational issue, then you think that he's saying something sensible. And you think that he's saying something meaningful, tactical operational issue, and then people will come back and they say, "What's up, baby? So it should be strategic." What is strategic?
And is
I say what some money account on the summer na a board no so no we never found by tactical operational issue instead of being strategic. You understand? What do you want to say? You understand what come before not before the day but before in a situation saying tactical operational issue. As a general saying so I say I need to be up at TT above no at TT among for before when we come before the to asuma unim said no but you know we about the year send pa ikun sanko foi ene yakofom e dia ba se omofie nko e bo sha asase so
wale ya na nya bro na do
yes interview no with joy.
Ask who said that.
So this I'm asking you now. This is an opportunity.
No, but here's the thing. We have to be very careful. Every time people put out statements, the question I ask is, we don't even ask to say who said. You know, someone can write a whole article. People go off and have fun with it and spin a whole new show on it. Well, and no one simply asks the question of fact.
So the fact is, we know where the contract is.
Yeah, but there's no league for them to support.
Did they make any payments in the past?
Not that I'm aware of.
And also say why pervasive in answering the question ono per question ese mo na bobisa eno na ese mo bisa no ba na momo de ba na de eno re mfa na ho kura do kra po de kom de manatufo bo some de omo so game omo ni akiri I say TV Central say better research na ebisa very saying important question related to matters no also safa ho sa na ma me so ginya ho genga ho ye wie wa hanom na afi so na fokojo sa be shia na eno so osa obidi di atem say petty we dey sentie one kojo di ni bi.
Last week, and I issue up. I remember very well. Say on my show, Grand when I make about the fact that Xylophone Cash Premier League, Xylophone Cash Premier League, Yes, a more contract in Football Association. One more. Then I'm there. I didn't. Contract in Ira.
First of all, I said it this on Mesa Kabio. Minima de people are focusing on a contract. So, first of all, we have all our contracts. But secondly, the question I will be saying, it is a petty question. It is petty in the sense that
so nipa wasina no fifi buy. So wasina no fifi buy. First of all, it's a petty question. It's a petty in a sense. Petty no nani. Facebook was so they akobo. Patrol. I mean, these are the kind of people I did football show, sir. But the way I am blame Uncle for a trans both in Posako fast and go for the brain. So I said, so being called driving school, how the car man so agree. What is you being called driving school, the car man so agree. You understand? And these are the kind of people that you put on my own Miami blame. When you saw your bonny BI, or Kona Butchery, a bit in the fence and the post of Ghana. What I say, why entertain Kruma? Butchery need orientation different. Into whom will crowd, so who sell crano. We a different person, I say, except Sebin Kinuka say, we need Shakra. To beside the question, it's not recognizing or appreciating the question first of all, but Odika Abu question Egu. Say, wait, it is a petty question. I mean, look at how petty question.
Well, me, Ayana, yes, Yatito Mobrichi. Abroche for in no matter who be no baby, ye Ghana and Suatra. And we Suatra. We na bridge or tenter, Suatra. Because ye bizarre say, I bet you just say, Xylophone contact you. Wally, and quite a fine opportunity, mouse say, Ubiti me a church, near maybe a Mudu Manyako, ye, watching the NTB. It might be the castle contract. There's no speck of truth in what of these offensive groups are saying. I was another group say a contract center or we say so which is this? What we say a nefarious idea be at the back of my mind nobody else say question now could you be Wodi kan you say o see the question will be some the me ya only say a pity question o say di we ya say we ya kra say say ko do papa you man papa tu nya agbe papa bia na we be some san ko say mu san se mu o be to say mu
ya so please Let your investigation team find out about the Azakes and Haas game. They charged 10 cedis and 20 cedis at the gate, but at the end they declared 5,295 cedis as gross. How can a flat rate of 10 and 20 cedis sum up to a gross in excess of 5 cedis? Aquano a mathematician pa. Well, Sika say okay 10 boomer ubenya friends and number. Ever say bibi naturally sope gross in the scanny na kabum no omse ne omunya ani enti timi say ida so obi je ne sesa Richard so Chelsea and then come on no so anybody as the prof greetings to the researcher obi so say ochia chairman you know bibi able ko ha as well as this guy is talking too much without a comma. Why from Ba Abeka and also anyway by Fabesi ho. As a prof, it's not too much of a job for Grant as House of Hook. How can people still make this decision in modern football? Wefi Dr. Penaja Benedict of Asimfusu and do by say humor and it's nema AC kwa as a human too much modern club say to me Eddie Rowe no you assign it to be na call a delegate role delegate power. Also prof you do all, may God bless you from Israel Kakasunanka and also do we by good love Jeje or say happy birthday chief journalist and Asempa God love also Ediaba coach Robert Saki says salute Robert Saki win my salute no yenye I say kotoko you haven't seen anything yet. This is just the beginning. Kwesi amwa kojonte and also Ediweba. Prof, good evening. I like you, Papa. I'm Daddy at Sapeman and I'm also Ediwe Ebae. Ricky Ediaba or say Liverpool won and then come on also Ediaba. Banana Sekotoko played well. We lack a cutting edge in the midfield and attack. The goal we considered was avoidable. A draw game would have been a very fair result. Anyway, I'm doing the listening inside taxi Danso. Taxi driver, I'm saying Danso is the driver. Danso, you are the driver of Banana. And the Banana's driver is Danso. The we hear the name so why English driver. Banana is sitting in Danso's car. What I say, Danso's driver is Banana. What I say, and Danso is the driver. What I say, and then Banana is Danfo's passenger. You understand? Acceptable. Hello, the nation's presenter. Good evening. May our God of hope bless you with more age and health to continue doing good work for our mother Ghana. Keep it up from Bismarck, China Clinic. Omo edin kwase Asempa na ne omo fama normalization committee obi omo ni omo keka kra ene monte obi akra no atum ene monte ye hwuko prof all those aside all kind needs to know how to address protocol. He kept saying Sakotokono and the judgment and the judgmental tone, but when it came to his club house, you see the passions and even spoken. We are all witnesses to his bias. I don't take him serious. Who Canada? And also Canada. What to do? We can do. Bernard and Nana Edu say, bro, I have googled it to tactical operational issue has no meaning specific. Me that's what Bernard Edu. Say me catch them. Bernard Edu JB. Where academician at UK was here home papa. Say Google is here no. Was it tactical operational issues has no meaning specific. It's the need and just say. But that's what kind of say or the fan or beating no or the call. But I say beating the marker. The journalist not than the marker. No, why say defender. And I just said journalists no could business and so I'm on home day. Good evening, Wale. I'm listening to you. You do all Haruna from Tunisia. I know the way by. Good evening, Prof. Forget about the corrupt and noise committee. What is petty about this question? And then Asema Ubinso Eddie Abba Awano. I say please read my message. And then Asema Ubinso Eddie Abba. You could fear the mekai. So we have a 7 message. Yes, yeah. The rest of the name is Yako. See ya. Bona. Wale ochano pa yo wachimota forest. Nyasa nkitu akra. Into bia modern say we do any retro 020-722-9946 020-722-9946. Eradi sham na sadia enyama si ko die wa na obetumi akasa man na yi okamafo ni ho normalization free nkomo ya omde banyina to da bia na ayi bibio
nti yensu yenko so yenyine na so wale yenyine na so nemum ni woni bu autia na ro Asempa unse brofo no ya omudi tonu
beating kwa
omudi tonu ne ya dibri enye
etino Mame Leticia aka Araba Neiza of Takrade nyanete se uti yeso esu odi4 kwabnatewia ene na pamfo enso ebesi nkonya na omne nyame asem ne mu edin ne ebu nkonua na de aresaba na afeboa emoman so etwensa tumpon ana omo ede ba koso am afide na still Asemp Asempa 94.7 FM so na odi4 kwabnatewia ana ede nkomo no eba mosquito ewa hanma all support production won say ene nyame adoma ede ane 20 no ebe ana afizo kwa no eye right amenyo ewa ha gift anti ewa ha immortal comedy kwa champion Philip 2 AK47 the gunshot man ana afizo kwa no eye Bernard Padibotwi na afizo kwa no all the wonderful guys so mi na atachiri ebo abedu sampempenso yi sabiri de mami nyamo ha nyame adomo channel presentia